Guys, welcome. I'm here with Stars. Guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you and I'm always smiling, yo.
Today you're here to Razblade and this is why I'm smiling. I just hear the two person them where the chef them say I'm hungry, meaning say if them hungry, but good, food have a cook.
We're there, so
hi guys.
with Iandra Babooram. Yeah, if you guys don't know, like maybe 2 years ago we did a whole camping trip and stuff. Yeah, so we definitely this big YouTuber, close to 50,000 subscribers. Guys, jump over there and get her to 50,000 subscribers. Definitely. So in this video series, we are just gonna be doing some outdoor cooking, and we're gonna see how well Aya can, manage camping life.
I can
3 nights. Yeah, that's gonna be the vibe. So we're going. What you say?
Razor can manage the food.
The food alone, I think, but
You must have already live with you and know you're a top chef.
if you know that we're not for eat nothing though.
Yeah?
We're not for eat nothing, you know,
Why?
make him starve up here.
Yo, these guys are a trip. So those are going to be our 3 tents that we're going to be chilling in for this time. But anyway, we are going to unpack our stuff and yeah, we're going to start this adventure. Hope you guys enjoy this. If you guys, want to see more collabs like this with the big bad Razblade TV and Iandra Babooram, drop a like, Babooram, yo, Aya, drop a like on the video and drop a comment, and we're going to start on this epic adventure.
We wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in
Alright, so Aya is here. What are you cooking today? What's on the menu?
What do I want?
Lobsters.
Anyways, I'm gonna cook some corned beef with sweet corn and rice. That's it for today.
Corned beef, sweet corn and rice. Very traditional.
One
to zebra. Leopard. I stand.
So zebra tail, so mango soup.
Alright, so what I'm gonna do right now, I'll go set up the fire for Aya and she'll go run her magic and everything like that. So
Alright, not a problem.
let's do it. I remember I'll jump over to her channel. She'll be filming the whole process and how she does it.
Thank you, guys.
It's gonna be a whole vibe.
Thank you.
Probably on a really small stove type of thing. I can use this to kind of get the coals them hot as well, have nice ventilation and stuff. And usually what I do, I just get like some kerosene straight into the cotton swabs. So like on a windy day like this. Fire easy to start, not to really worry.
Oh, whoa, that was quick.
Yeah, so instead of the fire have to get blow. None of time for that.
And it's so windy.
And it's very windy up here. So,
Yeah, because it has a hot.
we're going to try and make 2 stoves, so I'll go to use it to get the coal them hot first.
Okay.
And then put some under that, and then yeah, but when I normally move it, I just take like a sticker or something and just push it across. No big deal. So we have what are we cooking here? What having at the plate now?
Corned beef, sweet corn, a little Maggi, because Maggi makes it better. And some rice.
Jasmine,
And I
of
don't know
course.
how the whole thing go with the seasoning, vegetables, wanna call it. But Jamaican season.
Mad.
But yeah, that's on the menu for tonight.
Mad. And fire go and heat up, so gonna be a vibes. Guys, I am so excited to actually try Iya's food because I've seen a couple of vlogs where she always cooks for Razblade. So I'm like, yo, I want some of them lifestyle, let's say, isn't me? This is a typical Jamaican dinner. It's very typical, but everybody does it in a different way. So I'm very intrigued to try this. Guys, Iya is here telling us that she can make a table because she watched the Indian man them decorate something with the hole. So tomorrow we will have a table to feast at.
Of course. I'll cheer if you want. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start cooking. You know you have to wash your hand first and clean up your stuff then because I don't know me clean. I'm all about that.
Fact.
Wait, no man, this one some more. Oh, lies.
So it's literally 5 minutes after 5 o'clock. So dinner, as Iya says, dinner is on her tonight. Yes?
On me. Alright. Just a pasta rice.
Boy, I laugh so hard.
No, well, where's the pass?
Just to give me the rice, please.
Here the rice, go, babe. Me helpful. What you need?
Guys, we have to kneel because the back here no righted. Alright, so I'm gonna do the rice first. Alright, so what people normally do. Alright, so Ibby say alright. But just like eyeball it. So the people then will ask if I not measure. Alright, so what people normally do. Alright. So what people normally do, they normally put on the water, you know, make it hot. But because it's camping, it's a camping trip and night I come down, I just gonna wash it, put on the water, put the butter in there and cover it and let it cook then steam. Awesome. Well, mostly steam. Alright, so I'm gonna wash it.
Rice pot.
Look, Vanilla, come.
Check.
The thing is, I should have probably just rinsed it in this. Alright.
Vanilla on guard duty.
The water.
You know, a Rasta man, so make a trod to pass all of that.
Babe, give me the water,
Vanilla
please.
was up and about.
I never imagine, say, would have a kneel to cook. My
Welcome
God.
to my world.
So I'm gonna give it one more rinse because the rice here well dirty. So I'm just gonna rinse this now.
But what you find, I mean, it's a packaged rice. So you still find it as dirty as the ones that come bulk?
Yeah.
Still? Okay.
But not that much.
Okay.
But this is the last rinse. It could have got one more, but this is like the third. But it's okay. Alright. Wait. Not too much because you know rice steam. Alright guys. So I'm gonna add some salt. Wait. Just eyeball it. I don't love salt, so just a little bit. I think you want some more? Me no love salt personally.
I mean, like flavor.
Alright then.
Not.
I'm gonna add
No,
some more.
cook it your way. Cook
No.
it your way.
And I may alone eat it, but I really don't love salt.
Gotcha.
And I'm gonna add some
Chiffon butter, you do me
Yeah.
good. Life just like you knew.
butter makes it better.
People are gonna know something well I know, I'm gonna say, what song is that?
Yeah,
Alright, so that's
another
good.
commercial, let me see.
No.
Bad.
So I'm gonna cover that and then you know how the whole thing go after
Process. Mad.
People who don't know, say, how we deal with all of them things, you know. how you make it something when you shift pot? You see me I say? The shift pot. You see me I say? If you want your pot to be shift, link razor at www.that shift pot.
I'm not able to remember.
I love pepper.
Put the seed?
Just do it to one level where you know it will go hot. As in not hot, but in a nice
Alright,
little
I'm gonna save it, and if it need more.
mad.
Alright, so normally I don't use this much oil, but it's corned beef and we're gonna eat it with rice. When I have no sauce,
Facts.
you know, corned beef barely give gravy, so
True.
the extra oil. And it smells so good.
Already.
So good.
Alright. So I'm just gonna leave this. You have a cover for it? Or no? I normally cover it just to make it cook down a bit.
You know, if you want to use the metal pan,
I mean, it's cool.
okay.
Yeah. Alright, so just make this one fry a bit.
There's a bleaching on the food.
Whoa.
How does it feel so far cooking outdoors? With your pot moving and all this stuff.
Don't worry, babe. I'm setting to catch it.
I mean, I'm not used to it, but I mean,
I'm flying like I'm sitting.
we make
Ready.
it work.
Make it work. Love nature and adaptation. I like
Yeah.
it. Right. Wait,
Ibby.
hold it.
No, I just want to hear where
You see
myself.
camera, remember you walk.
No, just want to hear. Ibby, what you normally use? Guys, what you normally put first? Corn or the corned beef? What you normally
Corned
put?
beef first.
Me too.
Yeah, take back my ring.
Baby, you know I can do this.
So you know what you ask question for?
But me want to hear because me go through your comment section.
The
Right.
camera, I'm not sure because you left the damn sitting at the pot.
So this is a part of outdoor cooking which is really cool, that nothing is perfect, especially like sometimes the oil might be on one level, so that's a little challenge, but you know, that's what makes the
No,
videos
what
interesting
plastic?
to me.
Alright.
So you might notice we took it off of the stove because it wasn't as balanced, so we just put some coal, keep the heat low, and it's working out so far.
So I'm gonna put in this one first. Sorry.
So life funny, and I don't want fear dog food, you know, but here comes this dog. He's ready to eat it.
On your mark.
Get set. Go.
You hear me? Anybody pop that? Hear me? What?
So black pepper going on some corn, right?
I'm not gonna add any Maggi because it's a go too salt. You know corned beef salt, right? Bad. And that's that, and then we're gonna cover it. It is pretty simple. to prepare.
Who teach you how to make this?
Nobody. It's easy. It's already cooked. That's why I'm saying this me I gotta look both.
Oh!
Pot cover. May I learn. Moments of honesty.
Oh yes, team is out. We are ready for the taste test for the rice.
Alright.
So
Go ahead and
you got something?
have a different scent. Alright. Let us put this.
You mix it around?
If I did?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
the spread the butter on the top.
Okay.
Want to steam some more? Salt. Please, no.
Flavor wise is perfect.
Good, because I don't love salt.
It does need more water and salt.
Water and salt? Some just like if it's salt.
No, sorry, not salt. So, pot did I run and don't know anything set.
Alright, it's time to share.
Guys, he left me on the pot.
Put the camera, yeah, good. Alright.
Alright, the drop in that place like
More mine in my calabash here.
Not a problem.
And just height it up with the rice.
Okay. But no just eat nothing now.
Oh, the rice drop in that
I
place.
eat enough but I'm hungry.
Your rice go.
Wait, hold on. It's hot.
Look at Ibby hand to something with the calabash plate with the rice, you know.
Rice have a nice balance, nice
Okay,
chiffon
babe,
butter.
come stand up.
You don't know, anytime I cook rice to me personally, I like when the rice is not very salty, but then you don't know the
Have a little
corned
taste.
beef have the swing.
Alright, Ibby, where your calabash?
The first name I use to have calabash.
Here we are.
Thank you. What Ibby say, ice it up with rice.
Yeah, man, Rasta man thing, you know.
Rasta man, the meek shall inherit the earth.
I confirm it, Ibby love sing.
Yeah, man.
Ibby tell me one for stop, you know.
Give me one more spoon.
Okay, a big spoon?
No, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
I know you enjoy maths, because you enjoy a maths, you know.
Matzah.
Alright, I'm gonna go over here so now.
You know how much that makes me little beverage? If you guys know what beverage is, drop it in the comments. Yes? Ooh.
So it is a stick, they catch
So
up with
I,
the cover.
yeah. So I tasted the corned beef and it's exactly how I like it in terms of the spiciness. Nice amount of spice. Love it, love it, love it. Some people use ketchup, but how this go? Nice.
Alright,
Yeah, man, put
cool.
it on the floor right to someone. It's outdoors, you know. Yes, Lord.
Table right there, so.
For the
baby,
rest
me
of
yours.
our days.
Babe, you notice that anytime you share them food away, the meat is salting, never too left back when you want the extras. Remember, so we are go back for extras.
Babe, no extra left in
Guys, drop in the comments what you do, because sometimes I normally mix up the corned
I gotta
beef
eat now.
with the rice,
You know,
everything
share
together. It's been a while since I did that. Tell us enough of a rushy pot. Me hungry.
Move.
Yeah, you know?
Really take care of vanilla in a card. You know, that dog make me realize that vanilla really clean. Move.
You know, so you take care of me too. But if you say move, vanilla not even look. Vanilla don't use the vocabulary there. I'm not used to that. Give me some come go and sit.
Going in thing like this, yeah. We get hungry, so a pot get rushed. But the corned beef solid. Corned beef nice. The rice cook a little bit more. But guess what? We can clear the plate same way. Yes, Barry G, the boogeyman. Done?
You still in a service?
Oh, you mean? Man, they're still up and running.
Barry G died.
What?
Barry G died.
You sure?
I should think so. I could have seen here somebody said Barry G died. Google it.
You will know. Anyway, guys, just consume the dinner. How will I go? Can't be going good. So, we're gonna get into another video tomorrow morning. Right now, let's go. For some reason, you know, we're going. YouTubers talk about life and YouTube. And catch you guys in the next video. Remember to run over to Ia's channel. Check out her pranks with her boyfriend, everyday life, cooking, stuff like that. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Remember to see things, love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, keep the link.